Okay, get on my back.
Go, peasant.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Take one. Oh, I'm good
Freaking
at
peasant.
parkour. I'm good at parkour. I swear. No, it's more like. Yo, what the? I just got bounced.
My slave.
Yo, you can't say that, bro.
Ah, this peasant knocked me off. Racism. The saddle.
Watch this. Watch
Go,
how tough
peasant.
this is. That was
He's
tough.
licking the grass or whatever, the leaves.
Look how tough this is. Watch. Boom.
Ooh, that was what?
Watch how tough this is.
Ooh.
Now watch this.
Yo, next level. You need a switch.
What?
Like, and then you get on my back, and then you get on that back.
Yeah, I love riding you.
What? Nah, I did
Now
not
watch this.
mean
We
it
go up
that
here.
way.
We go in the little corner. We go. Get in.
We're in a simulation.
How'd you know? Guys,
I knew it.
Watch out. Watch this. I'm about to jump through this. Watch how tough this is about to be. Make sure you get on the camera.
Hold up, wait.
Oh yeah.
Right.
It's about to be tough.
Get the toughness.
Yo, wait.
That was not tough. Oh shoot.
Wait, let me try again. Alright, watch. This is about to be tough.
Ooh, that was tough.
Get my back.
No, the camera.
I need a hero.
Racism.
Weave.
Go, peasant.
Yo, you can't say that. Watch this. I'm about to make this jump all the way over there.
You're not making that.
Now watch this though. Water bucket. Release.
Earthquake.
See? That's tough.
You see that branch down there? Yeah, you snapped that one. Bro, we haven't even gone up the tree yet.
Yo, don't worry, I got this. I need to lock in. See, I locked in.
Oh, look, we're in a simulation.
Oh yeah, there's like
God, thank you,
15
guys.
levels, by the way.
Nah.
Watch this. Water bucket, release! Yo,
How did you miss that? How did you miss that?
where is
That
he?
way. That way.
Where?
No, bro. That way.
Nah, I'm gonna climb the walls. Water bucket,
You're not-
release!
Why are you going down?
Nah, watch this though, watch this. Mate, I'm about watch this. Yo,
Oh, where'd the saddle go? Where?
you dropped the camera.
I know. Get on my back, peasant. Get the camera.
Guys, I'm the cameraman.
Alright, get on, peasant. Watch this. Let daddy show you how it's done.
I'm getting a montage. It's a bird.
Now, trust.
I'm recording you, bro.
Oh, it's because you're not on. Trust. Oh.
I am on. You're not cooking. Oh, you're kind of cooking. Yo, you're cooking. Yo, this guy's cooked so hard. Yo, my turn. Get off, peasant.
I'm the cameraman. I'm not on. Alright, go, peasant, go. Ow. Bro,
Yo, look, we got.
this looks so easy.
I know.
What are you doing?
Look. Let me cook. Elytra!
That is not tough.
What's this? Watch this.
Little.
This is an ender pearl. Teleports you to wherever you throw it. And that was my only one. This is a crafting table. Creativity
Yo,
is
this is my
limited.
mansion.
Yo, what? That's trash.
My house is calm.
Watch me cook.
Dang.
Watch this.
Ooh.
Watch this. This is an ender pearl.
Bro, if you would have missed that.
Elytra! Oh, where is that taking
No.
me? No, don't worry, I cooked, right? Well, I don't know, I'm trying to have fun, man. Okay.
Oh my.
Bro, my dad messed me up, bro.
Ah, racism.
Exactly.
Biggie! You can hear the boards creaking! You're so big! Listen! Ah.
Here, bro. Guys, I look so bad on the camera cam.
Watch this, let Daddy cook.
Yo, wait!
Look, bro, we wet!
Guys, I'm so big I fell off. Look at this ugly guy. I can hear the twigs breaking, bro.
Ah, racism.
You're so close. Hit the fan. This is an elytra. Oh, you sold the bag so hard. Oh, wait. What? Elytra.
Ah, this game is racist.
Yo, I fell off.
How did you fall? What? Oh, no, you didn't.
Yo, where am I? Elytra.
How did you?
This is racist.
I'm behind you.
No, Elytra.
Oh, you can't.
Not fair, bro. It's racist. Where is it taking? Not tough.
I was tough. We're going to watch this. Ready?
Oh, yo.
Back in gorilla time.
Yo, you wanna go get? Wait, we should just buy a bunch of broccoli and cheat.
Daddy doesn't need cheat.
This you go. Yo, that was lucky no time. Wait, we gotta go hit the elytra. Guys, look! Elytra! This is an elytra. I'm just an underground. Come punch it wherever you're going. This is an elytra. Shit. Yo, that's not fair. And he just cooked so hard. Yo, I fell off.
Ah, this is.
Just here. Yo, you just cooked so hard. Oh, it took 4 minutes to get down one level.
Oh, yo, this beat goes hard. What is this beat? Oh, Indiana Jones? I'm cooking. Watch, trust.
Yo, watch out, bro.
Let me cook.
Bro, help me! Help! Bro! Help! Help!
Bro, what the? How did you die?
Spikes!
Yo, the spikes, bro.
Biggie.
You hit.
Watch
I
this,
got
you
hit by
gotta
the
let me
spikes, bro. Watch out, bro. The spikes.
Alright, you just gotta wait for them to go down.
Yo.
Oh my god.
Yo, that's tough.
Why is my lava? What the heck? Come here. Why is there lava up there, yo?
Yo, I'm back from the dead. Nah, I'll just stay near you, okay?
I bet. You gotta keep up though.
Keep up, I'm too fast. I just dropped the camera. I just left the camera, bro. Wait, I just left the camera. Yo, bro, wait, I left the camera. Nah, let Papa cook. I
Where's
left
the
camera.
camera?
Right there. Yo, I left it.
Dad's coming. Like the toughness, Indiana Jones style. No, what the? Ah, racism.
Yo, good camera. I want to show them how tough this is. Wait, record me. Stay here. Nah, look how tough this is. Ooh, that was tough. Give me that.
Oh my god, there's lava!
La 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 la. Cha 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 chicken. Steve, my chicken, yeah, it's nice to be out here. Where'd you go? Yo, Beanie Head. Elytra.
I've been expecting you.
That was not tough.
Oh.
Help me, please.
Bro, that was Indiana Jones style, bro. That was tough.
That was so fun, bro. Come on, let's go.
Left me and died with the
Yo,
camera.
the next level is lasers. Go.
Lasers, bad.
Go up, peasant.
Back in prison. I used to be
Dang.
cooking with lasers.
I got arrested for throwing a donut at someone's head.
I got arrested from eating a donut from somebody's head.
My
think
friend
I can
got
make that?
arrested. Oh, yo, that was tough.
Thank you. Oh my god, I almost just saw the clip.
That was tough.
Is this tough? 360? Oh!
Yo, that was tough. Yo, you almost, bro, I'm scared, bro.
Nah, trust, you're in daddy's hands.
My life is literally in your hands, bro.
Where do I go?
Where is that? That way, let's go.
Ha!
Nah, that's crazy. Yo, wait for me. We have to go separately, cause, lasers.
Are they not networked?
Wait, you go left, I'll go right.
I bet.
Wait, come back so you can get the camera.
Yeah, let me get the camera. There's not lasers over here! Little bro,
Yo, I messed up, there's no lasers. I think it's the next
I don't think there's lasers.
I think it's next level.
I fell. Bruh. Say that again, little bro. Just lost aura. Alright, let's see what the hype is about. See what the hype is about. Stairs. This is not lasers. Little bro, there's no lasers up here. Who's beating who? Hold up. There's a finish line. Ooh. See that hole right there? Look at the toughness. Coming in hot. Oh. No!
Help me, please.
Get on my back, peasant.
I'm in here. I'm cameraman now. Go, giddy up, horsey. Why am I glowing in the dark? That was tough.
Thank you.
God, that's so tough. I'm gonna send this to Discord.
Alright, bet.
Wait, what's your
bro,
real
there's
YouTube channel? So, what's your real YouTube channel so I can tag you?
That video I sent in the Discord.
Oh, okay.
This is
Is
not
this
look. This is not lasers. Look, trust, stay on my back. Trust.
I swear
I
it's the one
analyzed
after
this place. This is where I built the Twin Towers. Ready?
Yo, what?
Foot.
No, wait, let me show you how skinny I am. Watch how skinny I am. Everyone, watch this. Wait! I can tell the panels apart! I need a marble! Yo. Okay, this one is safe. Yo. Wait, I can analyze them. I can analyze them. Wait.
Where did Lobo go?
I can tell which ones are real and fake. Give me the camera. What? Record me. What? Okay, guys. What? No. I can see if they're real or fake. It's real.
Like the way you think.
Alright, let me see if this one's real. I think it's real. Wait, it's fake. It's fake. So we gotta make a big jump. Yo.
Retard. That was massive. That was tough. You see those two stairs right there?
Wait, that's
I can
fake.
jump
That's
up
fake.
them.
That's fake.
That was tough.
Now watch this. I only have one use left. Watch. Use broken. Of course. Watch.
Coming in hot. Oh.
Yo, watch how fast I get up. Yo, wait, there's doors right here.
Where?
Yo, I used to work here. Wait for me. Yo, no! I saved you guys. Don't worry. Yo, that was... Yo.
Help.
Yo, how do I do it?
Help. Just put your hand in the yank and get the fuck out.
How do I do
Come in
it?
hot. Coming in hot. Ooh, wait.
Yo, chat, watch out. Bounce it up.
Yo, I made it. Don't tell them I missed.
I
Yo!
think you missed. What the?
No, I bounced back and...
I want you to watch.
You, no!
Yo, that was... Watch this. Coming in hot!
You want to see aura? Look at these aura points. Look at these aura points.
Now watch, look. Camera, look. We're going that way. We're going in that room right there. Watch yourself.
So retarded. Coming in hot. Ooh, that was good.
Watch this. Coming on! Watch this. Alright, the toughness. Watch the toughness. Nah. Nope.
Breathe in, breathe out. That was tough. This is not a Roblox obby.
Yo, how am I supposed
Coming
to do
in
this?
hot. Coming in hot.
Yo. Push.
Oh, what are you doing? Coming in hot.
Please.
Little bro. Look at you. You're licking us off. You're gonna die as soon as you get up. You're cooked.
Yo.
Ooh.
That's aura.
This is not a Roblox obby.
Yo, wait. I can tell which color it is. It's green.
I like the way you think.
Alright, watch this. I'm LeBron James. This is the move that made LeBron James cry.
Ooh. Oh. Guys, this is the move that made LeBron James cry.
Now record me. Watch. What? Record me. Watch this.
Alright, alright.
Nah, look
What
down
you
here.
gotta
Down. Watch this. Record this. Watch this. Watch how tough this is. Yo, wait. They didn't see that. I wasn't ready yet. Watch this. See, I used to work here.
Whatever, you're not in the Matrix. Yo, I think I found the exit, yo.
Nah, I found it first. I was here first.
Is this the lasers now?
Everyone
17
watch.
minutes, 18 minutes.
Look, this is the lasers. Watch, I know how to disarm them though. Do not go, because I know how to disarm them. Watch this. Watch.
You're a retard. Yo, I'm gonna be cooked as.
Yo, is this Aura? Yo, give me.
Yo, this is Aura, right? This is Aura.
This is not Aura.
You guys watch it. This is Aura. I'm in the Matrix.
Ooh.
This is Aura.
Chat, watch this Aura. Watch this
Guy
Aura.
out.
Watch this Aura.
Cool, I'm a W cameraman, I just don't die.
Watch this Aura. Yo, they're moving! Watch me slide under it.
Nothing there, little bro.
Now we're inside of it, bro.
Inside.
Yo.
What is this? You know what?
Yo, this
Easy, lightweight, no
Yo,
reaction.
watch out, bro. Yo, this is Aura. He has Aura farming. Bro, you gotta run, bro.
That. Oh. Oh my Aura. Where am I? I think I'm in my
Watch
room.
the Aura farm. I just Aura farmed right there. You saw that?
Look. Where are we? You are a shining star? I know.
Yo. This is Aura. Watch. Look.
Yo, my trophies!
Yo, these are your trophies for your game.
Wait, you gotta take a screenshot. This is Aura farming right here. Yeah. Where'd the bug go?
Why is this new update fire though? I'm right here.
Yo, look at the camera POV. This is tough. The camera POV is tough.
I'm gonna press the big red button.
No!
Wait, we beat it?
Yeah. Ew! You look disgusting. What? I already did. What? How? Ah.
Whoa, how do I look disgusting, bro? I look beautiful.
No, you don't. Coming in hot. Oh.
You know what we gotta do now, right? We gotta beat Office.
Bet. Where am I?
Everyone watch! I used to work here before. What? Follow me. Now watch, everyone. My wife isn't here. We gotta stick to the ceiling. Do not let her see you.
In a minute.
Do not let her see you. She'll trick you into getting a divorce. Do not let her see you. she'll trick you into getting a divorce. Now everyone watch. I used to throw stuff at her all the time because I'm abusive. I'm an abusive husband. Take that! Wait, I haven't hit her in a while. No, it's not like this. Yo!
No.
Wait, watch
at?
this.
I got you. I got you. What?
Wait, watch this.
Racism.
But you gotta kill them with kindness or claps. Stop recording!
Huh, that was tough. I would have caught that.
No, what? Don't hit her like that. Look. Chicken jockey.
Ooh!
That's tough. Wait, what happens? Wait, look away. Oh crap! Please don't.
What?
Yo, she
What about-
instantly killed me. It's not fair, bro. Yo, stop.
What's my name?
Papa.
Ah, it's not doing anymore.
Ugly guy.
Hey!
Subway Surfers. It's Subway Surfers. More like hide and seek.
Backflip.
Yo. Help.
Where'd the camera go? Where's the camera? Where's the camera, little bro?
You can't see me. I can't see you. Oh.
Where's
We
the
gotta
camera?
find this camera.
I'll find you. Ah, racism. Backflip.
I'll find you first.
Backflip. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Where's he at? Coming in hot.
She's racist.
Gotta get ready for lights out.
Guys, I found you. I'm not run away from him now. Yo, Banana Head, I found the camera and now I'm gonna leave you. Yo. I just grabbed my pants.
Yeah, my headset's at like 3%. Go!
Over my dead body.
Coming in hot. Where am I? Gotta hide. Just gotta set the camera.
think he's dead. Okay, just gonna walk aside. I made it home. We won. But at what cost? Oh, I made it. I can't take it away. I can make it. Go. Go home. Oh. 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 What was this, Shabal? If it's you, Shabal, I want you to know that you are autistic and stupid.